This is video number 3 in my little series, Am I Ready to Lose Weight? Number 3, the question is, am I willing to challenge and shift my mindset around food, exercise, and getting healthy, getting strong? Because that's what we're working on as seniors, building muscle, getting strong, and mentally changing our mindsets that we can do this. So we know we can do this, and we're doing it slow and steady. We're not in a race. No, we're not in a race. That scale doesn't have to drop dramatically huge pounds every week. No, we just have to shift our mindset that we're going to do this time. This is about our health. This is about the last years of our life. This is about us. It's our turn. And let's live the last few years of our life as strong as possible. There's lots of things you can do to help with your mindset. And of course, a lot of reading and studying is what I'm doing, but I'm really studying meditation, which is really helping, and visualization. I love that visualization. Picturing what my life is going to be if I keep going the path that I want to go. And that path is building my body as strong as possible, my mindset as strong as possible, and of course, weight loss is the side effect of all of that. And of course, we're going for the weight loss. What is your biggest mindset challenge, do you think? Tell me in the comments. I would love to hear what you have to say. And if you would like to join my free membership on school, it's Sexy After 60 Weight Loss, where we are working together to figure all this out. And just be a community of support. A community, a like-minded community. We're all working for the same thing, a happy, healthy life. Going out, we're seniors, so the last few years of our lives, let's make them rock. Let's make them strong. Let's make them fun. Yes, I'm looking for some fun. I want to have some fun. I want to go to this theme park. I want to go ride these, my daughter works where there's a water park, and so she gets free tickets to go to the water park. So we're going to go to the water park, and I want to go down those slides I've been watching for years. And, just little adventures. I want to have fun. I want to go zip lining. There's all kinds of things I want to do. I want to go parasailing. I'm thinking of all the things that are around here locally that I haven't got to do that I want to do. So, yes. So, this is Debbie Garcia, the Badass Baby Boomer. I've lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy. I'm no longer in a wheelchair. I no longer use a walker or canes. So, that's made a huge change in my life. And now I'm able to get out and go have adventures. And you can too. Come on, we want these last years of our lives to just be something else. Thank you.